ఈ నచ్చలం అనుకున్నా ఒక కాలు తోకు అయ్యో మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నా ఆ బ్యాగ్ లేపలేదు.
I was at 5. Not smart. I was at 5, but heater undene, so it never looked like it was.
బెడ్షీట్ లోపలికి రా వచ్చేది.
The gully is meaning of I'm recording it, by the way. బెడ్షీట్ లోపలికి వెళ్తే వచ్చాడు నా బిడ్డకి అమ్మా ప్రాణం పోతుంది నాకు ఈ చలికి. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another welcome back to another travel vlog. Before I tell you guys where we are, let's go back to yesterday. And we've done like a 15-hour journey, so I will, whatever snippets we've shot, I'll put it here and let's go. We started off in Kohoram, and from there we've taken like a cab to Nagaon, and then from there we've taken like a tempo to Tezpur, and then from tempo we've taken like a electrical auto, and then from there we've taken like a bus to reach to what was that, Dirang, no, to reach Dirang. However, once we got onto that bus, we were so exhausted and tired because of the lizards that we physically couldn't stay awake, and we missed our stop in Dirang and we ended up in Tawang. So right now we're here in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Oh my god, our morning started off pretty early. We were awake. We reached Tawang after 15 hours, like in the morning at 8 o'clock. We checked in. We came to this really nice coffee house. This is called as a Dharma Coffee House. The coffee is good. We're having like a little bit of breakfast, and now we're gonna do all touristy things in Tawang. Come along, I will take you guys along. Can you believe? And it is so cold in Tawang. I didn't notice, Akshata noticed it. In the middle, while we were coming to Tawang, the temperature dropped to like -1, -2. That was like the first time we ever stayed up in minuses. So I'm excited for that. We're all ready in our jackets. I'll try showing you. We're all in our jackets with our natural flush of blush, and we're having a little bit of breakfast. Then we leave, and I will take you guys along. Come, let's go. We're here at the market city of Tawang. We're trying to buy things for tomorrow's adventure. We got ourselves some gloves. Now let's go find some topi and something to eat. This is the third cafe we visited today. It's called the Phones Cafe. It's nice, it's very cozy. Arunachal has, Tawang in itself has a lot of cafes. I think our tourism కోసం పెట్టుంటున్నా తెలిసి చాలా cafes ఉన్నాయి.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's the next day and we are on our way to the Bumla Pass. Hi, what's up? We're all ready, we're very pretty, and it's so cold. Yesterday morning we were shivering so much that today I think our body got adapted to it. We had like a nice head bath, we got ready very pretty because we got out of the pictures. Oh my god, you're not ready for the amount of pictures we're getting on this trip. It's beautiful. And I don't know, as of now, oh, I am on my as of now we are on 8,700 feet ka elevation, and today the Bumla is like the highest elevation at 15,000. So we're gonna go there. Let's see how fast my heart will adapt with the sceneries over here. Are to die. It's so beautiful. Let me show you how it is.
To me, girl. Got the kick in every move, and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why. Something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity.
Can you see the snow? Oh my god. Wait, वो विपाप. Oh my god, look at the snow.
And I just know you got that something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee.
This is so pretty. That lake, whatever is called, it's called as a Madhuri Lake. But it's pretty. The view is so pretty over here. So calm. There's a cafe right here at Sonsegat. You literally have to walk through the ice. We're here for like a little bit of breakfast. Let's see what they have. चलिए देखेंगे क्या है. We're here at Bhumla at 15,200 feet.
पीछे जाए क्या?
Yeah, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move, and I fought us like a fool for you.
तेज जागृत.
For you, it might seem that I'm dumb, but
The farthest you can see, all you can see is just snow, yaro. Look how beautiful it is. This is the India-Chinese Friendship Corridor, and from 1962 it's been peaceful. Before that there have been a lot of sacrifices, but trust me, if you were coming to Arunachal, definitely come to this place. It's a place worth watching. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's really, really beautiful. It's mind-blowing. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. To come here, you have to book this kind of bus, those cabs, and it's around 5,000 for the permit. They'll take you to the Sangetsar, the lake that we saw before, and then you can see the Bhumla Pass. It's beautiful. It's a view, and basically we've come at a time where it's very pretty. For the longest seas, you can just see snow and nothing else. It's so beautiful. We're going into this monastery kind of a thing. And everywhere you look, it's snow. It's so pretty. Let's go. But you know, walking in snow is so difficult. You will slip and how. You have to be very, very careful. It's so pretty. This is so pretty. Just look at the snow. Oh wow, that's nice. Thank you. Hey, bang, दे दिएगा. Alcohol लेने लेगा.
Do you like it, ma'am?
Yes.
Should I serve you some more? Just a
Sure.
little bit.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Thank you.
Make you warm.
Amazing. Was it linen? It was yum.
You just got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl. Next to me, girl. Something special from the rise. Something special that I like about you. About you. There's a mystery entwined. Something bigger to define about you. About you. And now the
Day 3.
Hi guys, it's almost the next day after Bumla. Yesterday we legit chilled yesterday the entire day in the cafes. Yesterday there was like a power cut for about more than 16-17 hours, so there was no electricity, nothing. I could like physically not vlog anything, but we did click like a couple of pictures. I'll put it up here. But now we're on our way to Chaksam Bridge, and Akshita and I have completely changed our identities. The only thing we look very weird because the winter wear that I'm wearing is hers and whatever she's wearing is mine. So our identities have been misplaced and misjudged by us. Now we're on our way to Chaksam so that we can see along. We actually wanted to go to Holy Waters, but the road is blocked for Holy Waters, so we're not going there. Now we're on the way to Chaksam, so I'll take you guys along with me. Arunachal is so beautiful, especially Tawang. If you're somebody who wants to see like offbeat places, you have to come to Tawang. Chiptawa, any story? Your 2 cents on Tawang. It's very beautiful. I like the lifestyle here. It's very quiet, it's very calm. Yesterday there was no power for 16-17 hours. I didn't even bother. They were so chill, they were so relaxed. It was as if there was nothing that was missing from their lives. Inka koncham memiddaramaina ayyo network ledu, phone ledu, internet ledu ani baadapadaam ani. It was just as if they were going through their life. That was really, really nice. ఆ ఒక్క విషయంలో అయినా కూడా మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది వీళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి అదొకటే.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for more.
It's so beautiful. అరే ఇప్పుడు మనం అట్లా నీళ్ళు చూడలేదే.
But it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you.
इसका नाम क्या है भैया? जंग वाटरफॉल.
इधर में कोयला मूवी की शूटिंग हुआ था ना.
कौन सा मूवी?
कोयला मूवी.
कोयला. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Arey, look at that force of water, Kani. This reminds me of Pahalgam, Akshita. You remember that?
Close, so babe. We'll do you good.
The waterfall looks so beautiful. Taking a lot of pictures. We're going there to like have a little bit of soak our feet in ice cold water.
I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never.
This entire scene looks so beautiful. It looks as if it's right out of some picture. Those are the Jung waterfalls. This is so cute. It's beautiful. Here at the Chaksam Bridge, we can see it with our own eyes. Ma'am, they say experiment like
India.
అందుకే చేయొచ్చా సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ధర్మదానికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదేమో పోయే బాబు పోయే చచ్చిపోతాను Oh my god, this is so scary also, bro.
Loving will be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth a try.
ये हिंदुस्तान की सरजमीन का वो हिस्सा है जिसकी सूरज सबसे पहले कदम बोसी करता है। अरुण अर्थात सूरज की पहली सरगर्मी का अड्डा है ये, इसीलिए इसको अरुणाचल कहते हैं। ये इलाका तवांग कामयाब नागसिंग कहलाता है, पर हमारे लिए ये हिंदुस्तान की रौनक में इजाफा करने वाला एक चमकता जेवर है। हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान और सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान।
Got back from the light and sound show from the Tawang War Memorial. I try to capture as much as I can. It's so nice. I liked I think this is my second light show and all of that. It was nice. We're all tired and exhausted. Akshata's already asleep. Today is our last night here in Tawang. We're gonna leave Tawang tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you have seen Tawang with a different eye. I really loved it. Actually, ఈ టైంలో మాకు ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఉందంటే మొత్తం చప్ప చప్ప తెలిసిపోయినట్టు ఉందన్నమాట. But I'm gonna end the vlog right here. If you like such kind of videos, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And come back for another video because this vacation is still not over yet. Tomorrow we have a very fun day planned. Bye.